Let's learn phrasal verbs about clothing and objects. Put on to wear or place clothes or accessories on your body. It is cold outside. I put on my jacket. Take off. To remove clothing from one's or another's body. Please take off your socks before entering the house. Take off. Off an aircraft or bird, become airborne. The plane took off from the runway. Try on. To put on clothes to see if they fit, usually in a shop. Can I try on these jeans? Pick up. To lift something with your hands. You dropped your pen. Please pick it up. Three, two, one.